When it comes to selling on Amazon, relying solely on marketplace sales or expensive paid ads is leaving serious money on the table. If you're not building and owning your email list, you're massively missing out on the highest ROI that an e-commerce brand can generate. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to grow your list with high-quality leads and turn them into repeat customers. Real quick, before we jump into it, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media, and we help Amazon sellers increase their conversion rates, boost their ad performance, and create direct relationships with their customers. Our sexiest service right now is expanding Amazon sellers off Amazon sales channels. If you're interested in that, then you'll want to grab my free book. It's called the Amazon Escape Plan. With the book, you'll also get a free brand audit over a Zoom call, an action plan, and some bonus PDFs that are going to boost your Amazon sales. To get all of this, just go to amazonescapeplan.com. The reliance on external platforms is something I see with clients all the time. They pour thousands into ads or focus solely on Amazon with diminishing returns as ad costs rise and Amazon takes more control. Here's what inevitably happens. Your acquisition costs keep climbing, you have no direct relationships with customers, and you're building someone else's empire, Amazon's, instead of your own empire. Worst of all, you can't properly remarket to previous buyers, upsell them, cross-sell them, get them to buy more stuff from you. And this is going to drastically reduce your lifetime value by not being able to communicate with them. One of my clients put it perfectly. We spent years thinking Amazon was our business model, when really it should have just been one channel in our overall ecosystem. Now, email lists drive more consistent revenue than Amazon ever did at a fraction of the cost. End quote. Let's be clear. External platforms are getting more expensive and less effective every year. They're basically short-term cash flow. Here's what the data shows. Email marketing consistently delivers the highest ROI at $36 in revenue for every $1 spent on email, according to Litmus Research. Email converts at 3 to 5% compared to social media's measly 0.5% to 1%. And reaching 2,000 customers costs approximately $50 with email versus $2,000 with paid social ads. These aren't small differences, they're business transforming metrics. So what's the solution? We've identified 7 key areas that create a sustainable email growth machine. First, you need lead magnets that actually convert. Forget those generic sign up for updates type of offers. You need irresistible offers like instant discount codes, downloadable guides, VIP early access, or strategic giveaways. The best lead magnets solve a specific problem for your ideal customer or promise a clear reward. Second, build high converting opt-in funnels. Your email capture should feel like a natural, no-brainer experience with clear benefit headlines, strong CTAs, and minimal friction. Keep forms short. Name an email is plenty. The more fields you do, the lower the conversion rates you're going to have. Third, implement pop-ups that don't annoy shoppers and still convert. So you don't want a pop-up to hit them immediately once they hit the homepage. Hit them deeper in the funnel, maybe on the product page after they've spent 30 to 60 seconds looking up and down it. You can also trigger the pop-ups based on the scroll depth. So maybe after they've scrolled halfway down the page on the product page, then you hit them with a pop-up. You can play around with exit intent pop-ups to catch abandoning visitors, but always keep the tone helpful and on brand. Test different variations until you find your winning combination. Fourth, drive targeted traffic without wasting ad spend. Use micro-influencers with dedicated promo links, optimize your organic social with strong CTAs, implement referral programs that reward sharing, and run strategic paid campaigns focused on list building, not just immediate sales. Here's a key insight most brands miss. Instead of always driving traffic straight to your product pages, consider sending visitors to a high-converting email capture page first. This way, even if someone isn't ready to buy, you still get their contact information for future marketing. So the funnel would look like traffic to an email opt-in, they opt in an email, then you hit them with a pitch through email. You can compare sending them directly to a product page versus sending them to an opt-in page and see which one performs better for you. The thing with a product page is if they bounce, they're gone forever and you don't get any residual value, no email or nothing. Fifth, automate revenue with smart email flows. Once someone joins your list, what happens next matters a lot. Set up a welcome series that delivers your promised offer, delivers value. Tell your brand story to separate that you're just a brand, connect with them emotionally, and then create abandoned cart sequences with appropriate urgency. Now you'll want to create post-sign-up nurture campaigns that provide genuine value. Shopify brands using email automation see up to 35% of their revenue come in from these flows alone. 6. Focus on repeat buyer revenue. Shopify gives you what Amazon can't: control over the full customer journey. This translates directly into higher average order values and a higher lifetime customer value. The numbers literally, they don't lie. AOV on Shopify ranges from $45 to $75 and up, compared to $25 to $40 on Amazon. So literally, basically double your AOV on Shopify. Now, due to email marketing and being able to hit them up down the road again, your lifetime value jumps significantly from $60 to $90 on Amazon to $150 to $300 on Shopify, because you're owning that relationship and you can hit them up a month or 2 or 3 down the road, try to cross-sell them or upsell them or just get them to buy again if you sell a consumable item. Finally, learn from real success stories. One beauty brand client went from 5,000 to 22,000 subscribers in just 90 days by launching strategic UGC giveaways, incentivizing reviews for bonus entries, implementing one-click upsells that boosted AOV by 38%, and sending valuable weekly content. The result? Their email list now drives 42% of total monthly revenue, and customer lifetime value jumped by over 61% in just 6 months. The brands that will thrive in the coming years aren't just the ones who are paying rising fees to external platforms. They're the ones who build assets they actually own and can leverage for predictable, sustainable growth. So there you have it. I hope this video convinces you to take action on building your email list before your acquisition costs make growth impossible. If you need help creating sales-driving content for your brand, or if you want to take the next steps with creating direct relationships with your customers so you can ultimately expand your off-Amazon sales channels, then download my free book called the Amazon Escape Plan. I'll also give you a free brand audit through a Zoom call and an action plan, as well as some bonus PDFs that'll help you boost your Amazon sales. To get access, go to amazonescapeplan.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.